JENGJENGJENG! Hello everyone, I'm Leona Chin, Malaysian Motorsports athlete. 大家好，我是赛车手 Leona Chin 陈丽慧。Today I received a very big bag from LEGO Malaysia. 今天收到了这个很大的袋子。Let's see what's inside. JENGJENGJENG! Wow! 很大哦 ，very big. It has 1,432 pieces. So this is a collaboration between McLaren and LEGO Technic. The car will be available for sale on the 1st of March, and I'm super excited to build the Formula 1 car as fast as possible. Comes with 4 rain tires, McLaren manual box.
This is how the new car looks like, and this is the model car. So we have 4 combinations. Yeah, so the first part is the engine, second part is the body chassis, then the exterior for the third part, and the fourth is the finishing with the tires and the top part of the body.
Let's get started. Yeah, and the last piece is done. 7 hours and 3 minutes.
Here it is. Oh, this is the halo. We have the side panels. These are the tires. And the GT wing, which is adjustable. We have the V6 engine that is visible, and this is the cockpit with the steering wheel, which it will actually move the front wheels. And when you move the car, you can see that the pistons inside the engine actually moves. Yes, and this is the underneath. Okay, what is special is the fins over here, the additional fins. This is the under the chair, and this is the transmission, and this is the engine parts. So when the car here is turning, the wheels move. Yeah, and this wishbone arms looks like that. And this is how the front wing looks like. So the rims look like this. If we take it out, it looks like this. And this is a flap that is new to Formula 1. This is the side mirrors. And this part was a bit complicated to build, but overall it was fine at the end. This is the back of the car. This is the rain lights. And yeah, it actually has like suspension. You can see it move. This is the wing, the new wing of the Formula 1 2022 model. The shape is like that. So awesome.
So thank you LEGO Group for sending me this awesome gift. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Jeng jeng.